Hello and welcome to Dishing Delights. My name is Jenica and today I am going to share with you an Azure standard haul. So this is the first time that I am picking up an Azure standard order since October of 2020. So this is long overdue. I used to do giant hauls every like 8 to 12 months, but I'm going to switch over to doing smaller hauls. I used to work third shift, so it was a little bit harder for me to get the time off, or it would take a large chunk out of my day when I was supposed to be sleeping. So now that I do not have that issue, I decided to do a little bit smaller of a haul, and I wanted to share what I got with you. So our pickup location has changed since the last time I ordered from them. It's actually now in a church parking lot, the same church I used to work at. So we are getting some fuel right now. We are going to scoot over there and then I will show you what I got when I get home. All right, we have obtained all of the goodies. Everything is packaged perfectly. I think for the first time ever, I got every single thing that was in my order. So that was absolutely amazing. Now let me set you down and I'll tell you a little bit more about Azure Standard. Azure Standard is a bulk buying co-op that transports its goods all across the United States. I was shocked to learn that they even have drop spots in Hawaii and Alaska. That's pretty awesome. Where I am located, there's 2 different drops within an hour from me, but I use one that's just about 25 minutes away. It's really convenient, and I noticed that the customers have seemed to double in size. Now, the last time I ordered was in October of 2020, so it was kind of in the middle of all of the chaos. So I'm not sure if there were a lot of customers before that as well. But I was shocked to see how many people there. There's probably 20 vehicles, and I don't live in the biggest town. Now, where I am located, the drop area is near a Walmart, and so I decided to compare my local Walmart prices or items that I could get off of walmart.com and ship to my store. I decided to compare all of these prices to the Walmart prices. I see that a lot of people compare theirs to Amazon, but I don't really use Amazon, so I figured Walmart was my best bet. Now, I will share with you later on how much money I saved, but it was crazy how much money I saved by buying these bulk goods. Azure Standard has an amazing variety of foods. I haven't even seen all of them. I was just eyeing all of the delicious things that people were getting, all the different juices and all sorts of different flours. That's what's really cool about these drop locations, is you can also see what other people in your area are buying. Now, I am going to share my affiliate link down below. I've never shared this, and I don't know if you guys get a discount or not. I'll let you know in the description down below what perks you get and what perks I get. But I do believe that if you use this link, I will get a percentage back towards my next order. So that would really help me out. Now, let's share all of the amazing products I got, and I will let you know how much they cost at Walmart. Now, first things first, these boxes were packed very well. I just went through them, so they're not packaged as neatly anymore, but they use recycled boxes or recycled packaging. So let's start with this extra virgin olive oil. Now it is 36 degrees and we just got home, so this is still in a solid state. This is 32 ounces of organic extra virgin olive oil that's cold pressed. This was $15.71, and the equivalent product at Walmart was $19.92. Now for this 5-pound bag of quick rolled oats. I always keep old-fashioned rolled oats on hand. There's some products that I wanted some quick rolled oats for, so I grabbed a 5-pound bag of that as well. 5 pounds of this was $5.17, and the equivalent at Walmart was $5.16. So at Walmart, organic quick rolled oats was a penny less this time around. On to the next thing. I grabbed 4 ounces of this hot and salt-free curry powder. I grabbed this for $3.91, and the equivalent at Walmart was $6.18. So we saved quite a bit there. The next ingredient we got was some coconut oil. This is 2 pounds of coconut oil. This cost $10.95, and at Walmart it costs $15.78. Right here we have some dehydrated and diced bell peppers. These are red bell peppers. I didn't realize that I had a fan on, so I just turned that off. So I'm sorry if that was bothering you. But anyways, these dehydrated peppers cost me $4.18, and at Walmart they were $12.95. You can't beat that. Now over here, ooh yes, I grabbed 5 pounds of green lentils. We are going to make some curry. This 5-pound bag was $9.15, and at Walmart for organic green lentils they were $21.98, so that was a steal. We grabbed some yellow popcorn. This is 40 ounces of yellow popcorn. And at Azure Standard, this was $5.45, and at Walmart it would have been $10.48 for the equivalent. And for our raw Baker's Pieces walnuts, this is a 2-pound bag. It was $11.37, and at Walmart it was $12.38. Now I also grabbed a 10-pound bag of unbleached all-purpose flour. This was $11.57, and at Walmart it was $21.98. So that was more than half. So that is half the price right there. Now we have 25 pounds of soft white wheat. I do not have any more soft white wheat. In October of 2020, I grabbed 50 pounds of it and also 50 pounds of hard white wheat, and I still have some hard white wheat left, so I figured I'd grab a 25-pound of soft white wheat to get us through for a little while. And this was $13.64, and this is where I was amazed, because at Walmart the equivalent to this is $67.99. That is absolutely insane. That's over a $50 difference, so I'm happy about that. And then this big old bag of brown rice. I am so excited about this. I love brown rice. My husband prefers white rice. We've been eating a lot of white rice lately, and I'm just ready to have some brown rice. For 25 pounds, it was $20.91. And at Walmart, you could also get brown rice, and it was $17.81 for the Great Value brand. So I have a feeling I'm going to be much happier with this product than the Great Value brand, even though it's a little bit more expensive. So altogether for all 11 items, I paid $121.92, and that includes shipping. For Azure Standard, you do end up paying a little bit of shipping. It's divided amongst everybody that is at your drop site, but overall it is still a steal. I paid $121.92, and if I would have went to Walmart for the same exact ingredients, I would have paid $219.61. That is a savings of $97.69. That's crazy. So I know a lot of people do not have the area to store bulk items, but if you have the ability to buy in bulk, it saves you so much in the long run. I did notice that a lot of people were picking up the 5-gallon buckets and the Gamma Seal lids, and I wish that I would have picked up a few more, but I probably didn't need them. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, here are the 5-gallon buckets, and here are the Gamma Seal lids. They just screw right on and off. It's the easiest way to get into 5-gallon buckets. And if you're ordering from Azure Standard, I highly recommend it. Now, I bought these buckets from Home Depot back in the day. They keep going out of stock. I know the Azure Standard sells food grade buckets as well. But this is something that I saw a lot of people were buying. And I wanted to let you know that Azure Standard has them. Although I bought mine from Amazon because I wanted the white. I like the white on white. But next time I order from Azure, I'm just going to get the ones that they have in stock. I know last time that I was there they had green lids, and this time they have red lids. So you don't get to pick the color of the lids, but it is what it is. Now that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about Azure Standard, leave them below and I will be sure to get back with you or I'll answer them in my next Azure Standard video. But I'm so excited to be back into the swing of things. Spring is coming, so I'm no longer pulling as much from my pantry. I'm adding back into it, and that is such a good feeling. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you like it. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching.